we start the name of God. After that, I may my peace and prayers be upon all my saints and prophets. It's one. It is one it again, and our Somali Learning program. We are in the midst of our Somali Pronunciation Guide. Today we're gonna take the S plus vowels. All right, we add short or long vowel to the S, and we place short or long vowel before the S, as we did before. This is very important trick that will simplify how to read the Somali language. All right. So S added by a short vowel, it is sa iyo shaqalada weeye markan. Sa iyo shaqalo ayaynu qaadanayna. Sa, se, si, so, su. The long vowel, it is sa, se, si, so, su. If we place the short vowel before the S, it is at, S is os and us. And if we place the long vowels before the S, it is at, S, is, os, and us. At the conclusion of this chapter, I will tell you more about this chapter, okay? In a concise and more understandable way. So how can I make this sound of S added short or long vowel, or placed short or long vowel before it and after it? How can I make it? It's very simple, like we did before. We have taken the ra. We have taken, but ta we have seen like ta and the. And ra, ta, da, and ra, like da and ra, like ta and da and ra. We simply place our tongue on the two front teeth, right? I'm using my LG mobile to actually record this video. My natural actually profession is to mediate, is to make international mediation, right? So I am in Austria. I think most of you can already guess who I am, right? So if you want to make this sound, it is you you place your tongue on the two frontiers, simply like this. So when you want to make it say, the tongue is already in that place. Say, I pull it the tongue back little bit, right? Say, see, see, see. So and so. Sa, se, si, so, su, sa, se, si, so, su. As, es, is, os, us. As, es, is, os, us. So I hope you understand. Today I will finish all remaining lessons about the Somali Pronunciation Guide. We shall take now we have taken ta. We shall take G, and Q. We shall take it K. We shall take it L. We shall take M and N. We shall take W and H. All of this I shall give you today. We shall take F and Y. So please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get future videos in real time. Do not forget to actually drink responsibly, okay? Choose